I want to talk about one of those details that I think doesn't always get enough attention during the planning process. Your aisle walk song. Because you plan your whole ceremony, your dress, your flowers, your venue, and then somehow the music choice gets left to the last minute. And I really think it deserves more thoughts than that. Because honestly, that song is going to play in your head for the rest of your life. Now, saying that, Canon ND is one of the most popular choices, and it is also a very beautiful one. But if you are planning your wedding right now, maybe you feel like there should be something more. Something that actually sounds more like you and your partner. Something, that makes your guests think, oh wow, that's a great choice. So in this video, I want to talk about my top 7 aisle walk songs for 2026 that are not Canon ND, and I think at least one of them can become your new favorite choice for that moment. Let's start with one of the most popular modern aisle song right now, and that is 1,000 Years by Christina Perri. You probably already know it, and honestly, there is a reason it became so popular. It has this beautiful, slow beat that gives you just enough time to actually walk and feel the moment without rushing. The lyrics are just incredible. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. It's hard to find something more wedding appropriate than that. At the same time, think about whether you want the original version with the vocals or whether you would prefer a pure instrumental arrangement. For example, a cello or violin version, which sounds absolutely stunning in a ceremony space. Instrumental versions are great if you're afraid that, the well-known words in the song will pull your guest's attention away from you walking in. The next one on my list is Can't Help Falling in Love. And here I specifically want to talk about the Kina Grannis cover, not the original Elvis version, because the two feel very different. The Kina Grannis version is so soft, so gentle, so intimate. For me, this is a kind of song that works really beautifully for a smaller, more intimate ceremony. When you have maybe 20 or 30 guests and everyone is gathered very close, this gentle acoustic version fills the space in the very special way. It doesn't empower the moment, it just holds it. One thing I want to point out. There is also a violin version by Daniel Jank that is absolutely gorgeous and very popular. So if you like the melody and want something purely instrumental, that is a wonderful option to look up on YouTube. I'll leave the link below and I think you will love it. Okay, so this one is maybe a little more unexpected, and that's exactly why I like it. Here Comes the Sun by the Beatles. Think about it. It's joyful, it's hopeful, and it is about the beginning of something good. And what I really like about this choice is that it changes the whole atmosphere in the room. Instead of that very dramatic, emotional moment where everyone is crying before you even get halfway down the aisle, you get something warm, bright, and celebratory. Your guests are going to smile, and honestly, that is also a really beautiful thing to see when you are walking. This song works really well as an acoustic guitar arrangement or even a string quartet version. I have also seen it work beautifully as a solo piano piece. So many options here, and all of them feel really lovely. I know that really half of couples planning weddings right now are thinking about including a Taylor Swift song somewhere in their day, and honestly, why not? So let me tell you which one I think works best for the aisle walk and that is Lover. Not the original version with the full production, but the slowed down piano cover version that you can find on Spotify and YouTube. The reason I like this specific arrangement for the ceremony is that it takes a song your guest will recognize and probably love and transforms it into something that feels elegant and intimate enough for a ceremony setting. The lyrics are so romantic. Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close? I mean, this is basically a set of wedding vows in a song. Also, there is something really special about choosing a song that means something to you personally as a couple. If, for example, Taylor Swift has been part of your relationship, maybe it was playing during your first date, or it was the soundtrack of a special trip together, then walking down the aisle to it becomes even more meaningful. Yellow by Coldplay is one of those songs that when you hear it in a wedding context, you immediately understand why couples choose it. There is something about that melody, so warm, so full of feeling that just works. Look at the stars, look how they shine for you. When those words start and the bride walks in, the whole room just melts. What I find really interesting about this song is that it doesn't feel like, traditional wedding song at all. And yet it works perfectly. It has this gentle, almost dreamy quality to it. Especially as an acoustic or string arrangement. I also think this is a great choice if you want something that feels a little more alternative or indie, but not so unexpected that it feels out of place at a wedding. It is recognizable enough that guests, will feel the song, but personal enough that it says something about who you are as a couple. Now, this one is the most current pick on my list and also the most exciting one in my opinion. Until I Found You by Steven Sanchez. If you haven't heard it, go listen right now and come back, I will wait. It has this incredible old school, almost vintage romantic quality to it. And at the same time, it feels completely modern. This is kind of a song for me that feels like the soundtrack to a beautiful film. It builds gradually, it has the emotional arc that is perfect for the length of an aisle walk, and the sentiment of the title alone, Until I Found You, is just so perfect for a wedding. It is one of those songs that feels timeless even though it is quite new. I think this is going to become a classic, the same way 1,000 years did a decade ago. So if you want to be a little ahead of that trend, while it still feels fresh, this one is definitely for you. And now the last one for today, and also the most underrated one, in my opinion of course. I Get to Love You by Ruel. Have you heard it? It is absolutely stunning. The words start, "One look at you, my whole life falls in line." This is a very special song for an aisle walk because of a very beautiful, slow, emotional beat. It starts almost quietly and then grows, which means it matches perfectly with the feeling of the walking down the aisle. You start at the back of the room, and as you get closer to your partner, the music is building with you. It feels like the song was made for this exact moment. If you're looking for something slightly different from the usual list that everyone knows, please consider this one. I think it is going to make your aisle walk unforgettable. Okay, so now that I have shared my 7 favorite songs with you, I want to give you a few practical tips on how to make sure your song choice actually works perfectly on the day. Because choosing the right song is only half of it. The other half is the execution. First, think about the tempo. The best aisle walk songs have a tempo of roughly 60 to 70 beats per minute. which matches a slow, steady walk. If a song you love is faster than that, ask your musician or DJ if they can slow it down slightly. A small adjustment like this can make a huge difference. Second, think about the length of your aisle. This is something people really underestimate. If your ceremony is outdoors in a large garden and you have a long walk, you need a song that lasts long enough. If your venue is small and your aisle is short, you need something that doesn't feel like it started and then immediately ended. So practice. Walk the length of your aisle at home, time it, and make sure your song fits. You might be surprised. Third, original version or instrumental. This is a personal choice, but here's my thinking. If the lyrics are an important part of why you love the song, keep them. If you want your guests fully focused on you walking in without the words pulling their attention, go instrumental. Both are beautiful, it really just depends on what feels right for you. And finally, check with your venue. Some ceremony venues, especially churches or historic buildings, have rules about what music can be played. Always confirm before you fall in love with a specific arrangement. Better to know early than to have a last-minute surprise. I think each one of these is beautiful in its own way, and each one suits a different kind of bride and a different kind of ceremony. The most important thing is that you choose something that feels like you, not like what everyone else is doing, and not because it is expected. Your aisle walk is your moment, and the music should reflect that. I would actually love to hear which one is your favorite from today's list, so please leave me a comment below. Which song are you considering for your aisle walk? And if you are still deciding, let me know what kind of feeling you are going for, and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy planning!